Welcome back to Jeep Mudmaster, the channel where the wild meets the wheels, and the road becomes your playground. Today, we've got something that blends European craftsmanship with raw off-road capability, the Adria Motorhome. This beauty rocks a glossy bright black and white body, and it's built on a tough-as-nails 4x4 platform with a seriously rugged long body. Whether you're heading into the mountains, the forest, or just cruising coastlines, this rig's got your back. From tech features to comfort corners, we'll be showing you everything inside and out. So grab your snacks, sit tight, and get ready to explore the road warrior you never knew you needed. The incredible Adria Motorhome. Exterior front view. Fire standing tall in the official Adria showroom, the front view of this motorhome is a true head-turner. That Adria emblem pops like a badge of honor on the bold chrome grille. You'll notice the sharply sculpted LED headlights with integrated DRLs, giving it a futuristic and commanding vibe. The panoramic windshield not only enhances visibility, but adds a high-end aesthetic. Black and white gloss finish, it reflects sunlight like a mirror, turning heads at every turn. Underneath is a reinforced front bumper with tow hooks tucked in. This isn't just for show, it's built to handle rough tracks. Style, muscle, and signature design. This is where it all begins. Topside view. Minibus take to the skies and you'll see how Adria maximizes the topside. Large monocrystalline solar panels are precision aligned for optimal sunlight absorption, meaning more power, less plugging in. Next up, a low-profile dome-tick rooftop AC unit to keep your cabin ice cold even when the heat is brutal. And yes, that 360-degree digital TV antenna is your link to entertainment off-grid. Also visible, strategically placed roof hatches for ventilation and sleek insulation layers integrated into the roof. From this view, the motorhome looks like command center on wheels, and that's exactly what it is. Everything on top is a blend of functionality and stealth design, keeping you prepared from sunup to sundown. Backside view. The rear view is a masterclass in utility and storage. Mounted dead center is a full-size spare tire, secured in a weather-resistant case for easy access during emergencies. Right below, you'll spot a sturdy foldable cycle rack, capable of holding 2 adult bikes, adjustable for different frame sizes. A rear ladder gives you access to the roof, while stylish vertical LED taillights ensure visibility through fog and night drives. Also present, a backup camera and dual reverse sensors for smooth parking maneuvers. Hidden inside the lower hatch, extra storage compartments for tools, ropes, or your muddy boots. It's the kind of rear design that's ready for both the road trip and the trail ride. Side view with tent. Sunrise over mountains swing over to the passenger side, and the motorhome expands your comfort zone. A motorized awning slides out with a soft push, transforming into a shady outdoor lounge, rain or shine. Underneath, there's a mount for a portable table, complete with power outlets and an outdoor speaker panel for your playlists. Large panoramic side windows are tinted for privacy but provide bright daylight inside. You'll also see multiple side hatches, housing your water tank, propane hookup, and outdoor shower line. This side isn't just pretty, it's practical, modular, and outdoor ready. Whether you're making coffee or catching sunsets, this is your ultimate chill zone. Driving compartment. Articulated lorry enter the cockpit, where functionality meets high-end comfort. The driver's seat is multi-adjustable with lumbar support, armrests, and premium leather wrapping. The digital dash cluster shows engine metrics, battery levels, and GPS navigation all in one glance. To the right, there are 2 bright LED displays, one showing rear-view video feed, and the other streaming the interior cabin monitor. You've also got cruise control, hill descent assist, and a 4x4 toggle switch for different terrains. The gear lever is smart shift, and the front cup holders even have warming and cooling options. In this cockpit, you don't just drive, you command the road ahead with confidence. Sitting and sleeping area. Couch and lamp step back and you're in the living quarters, where the sofa transforms into a full bed in under 30 seconds. The cushions are high-resilience foam wrapped in washable microfiber covers, soft but durable. Overhead, you've got dual reading lights and a surround sound speaker system built into the corners. Fold-down tables, USB charging ports, and adjustable airflow vents complete the space. During the day, it's your lounge, with a clear aisle to move around freely. At night, it becomes a snug sleeping zone with blackout blinds, privacy curtains, and LED ambience lights. No matter how wild the trails, this is where you sleep like royalty. Kitchen. Frying pan with egg compact but elite. The Kitchenette is built for serious cooking on the go. A 2-burner gas stove with safety shutoff next to a stainless steel sink with hot and cold mixer tap. The compact refrigerator runs on dual power, electric and solar, with enough space for drinks, veggies, and frozen treats. Overhead cabinets have soft close hinges and built-in spice racks, while the lower drawer houses pots and utensils. There's even an integrated pull-out pantry for dry storage. LED strip lights under the shelves keep the area bright and visible even at night. This is the kind of kitchen that proves small spaces can still serve up big flavors. Washroom. Shower time for the most underrated feature, the compact washroom. Open the sliding privacy door to reveal a space-efficient wet bath layout. The cassette toilet has a swivel base for comfort, and the rotating wash basin saves tons of space. Above the mirror is a cabinet with built-in LED lights, while a side-mounted handheld shower connects to the hot water system. Ventilation fan and roof vent keep humidity out, and the anti-slip flooring ensures safety in every use. Hooks, mini shelves, and towel bars are all precisely placed. It may be compact, but it's clean, functional, and ready when nature calls, no matter where you are. Bullseye that wraps up our full tour of the Adria Motorhome, a stylish and capable mobile home that checks every box. With its glossy black and white finish, rugged long-body 4x4 build, and smart living features, it's priced a competitive £74,000. For off-roaders, full-time travelers, or weekend wanderers, this beast offers a perfect blend of luxury and practicality. We want to know, which feature caught your eye? The solar roof, the lounge tent, or that slick cockpit? Let's talk about it down in the comments. And don't forget to show some love. Force them to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Catch you next time on Jeep Mudmaster, where we keep the mud flying and the wheels turning.